What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Ray
and Courtney.
She's filling in for Libby, and we're back with another video.
Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Yeah. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip club. Jack girl, pretty face.
So today, y'all, we're gonna be doing a random project for no reason. No, I'm just playing. It's not random. It's not random. It was actually for my finals. This is a final project, and we're partners, so that's why we're doing it together.
For geometry.
So yeah, y'all, enjoy the video. If you don't watch it, that's fine. This ain't really like the type of video I will upload.
It's just for a project.
It's just for a project. It's just for a project. So let's get straight into the video. Solving 1 and 2 step equations. This is so easy. Let's say we have equation 4x plus 2 equals 12. Before you get to dividing the number with the variable, like how you do with the 1-step equation, you have to add a step to it. So you see this 2 right here? You're going to have to do the opposite to the 12. So we're going to take 2. That's 4x equals 10. You're not done. This isn't the answer. You still have to, now you're back to a 1-step equation and you have to do the 1-step equation. So we're going to take 4 on both sides.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you doing that?
I'm so sorry. So, we have our problem up here and we are going to use the elimination method. The first thing we're going to do is subtract 4. So the new equation would be, so we're going to do these 2 equations, cancel out the 4x, 8 plus 3, which would be 11y, equals 33, and then we're going to divide by 11. And then we will get y equals 3. Now that you have your y, you can plug it into this equation and you will find your x. So we're just going to erase this. And then we're going to replace y with 3. So that would be 4x plus 3 times 3 equals 25. It's going to come out as 4x plus 9 equals 25. So we're going to do the 2-step equation again, which is going to be minus 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. And that would be 4x over 4 equals 16 over 4 will be equal to x equals 4. So now you have your x and you have your y. Now we're going to start the substitution method. First, you have to get a variable alone. So we're going to do the first equation and get c alone. So you're going to subtract p on both sides. It's going to turn into...
Nope.
Now you're going to fill in c for the second equation. That's how I'm going to start off.
Come on.
Oh, I didn't...
What is that?
Okay, so all you have to do is bring down the 2c, and then you got 12, because 40 minus 28 is 12, and then you divide both of them by 2, which will equal c equals 6. So now the plot would be 6 and 7. That's your elimination and substitution method.
So now we're going to do constructing angles. So we have our little line right here. So we have to make an arc from the vertex. So we know that the vertex is right here. So now we have to do our arc. So we're going to basically like just measure it. So it's like right in between, and it could do both sides. So we're gonna take it here. And we're gonna do an arc right there. And do an arc right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the lines from our dots. So we're gonna take this. So we're gonna take this. Did you texting people while you recording? So we're gonna take this.
I was texting my sister back.
Do something like that. Then we're gonna do the other side.
Wait a minute. No, it's not turning out how it looks. Wait.
Wait. Ooh. So
Nope.
No. So then we're gonna do that. And now we're just gonna connect these two dots to get our lines up. Shoo. Now there you go. There goes your angle bisector.
So for this problem, we're going to do the perpendicular bisector. And we're going to go from A to B. Make your circle. You know.
A few moments later.
So now you're going to label the 2 points that you made. This could be P. And this could be J. Also, you can label the middle. Middle would be K. This is a right triangle, so we're going to put the right in P, E, B, E, J, and E, A. And that's how you do perpendicular bisector.
What is that?
So now we're gonna do the Parag theory.
Oh, no.
12 on this side, 10 on this side, and we don't know what's on this side. So now we're gonna label the sides with the variables A, B, and C. So this side will be A, this side will be B, and this side can be C. So we have to find C. To be able to solve this, you have to know your formulas. So the formula is A2 plus B2 equals C2. So now we're just going to fill it in. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in. So 10-2 plus 12-2 equals C2. So 10 times 10 is 100, so that would be 100 plus, and then 12 times 12 is 144, so that would be 144, which equals C. So 2. So now we're just going to add this together, and you're going to get, let's do this on the side, we're going to get 244. So C equals 244. Now, you're not done. You found C, so now you have to do the last step. So that C equals 244. We're going to take 244 and do the ratio. Because, you know, some problems you can just do, but this one you can't. So you're just going to switch it to this. So instead of like finding the actual answer for this, you're just going to do that. And that's going to equal C. That simple, you guys.
We're gonna start with rotation. It looks like this. Then to rotate it, it will look like would be rotation. Next we have reflection. If the shape was to look like this, then it's gonna, and that is reflection. Now we have transition. Say you was to draw a shape like this. For transition, it would be like this. I know it's a little big, but you get it, right? Okay.
Alright, so now we're on our last topic, which is analyzing statistics and data. So, there are different types of sampling when it comes to surveys. You have random, you have systematic, you have stratified, and you have clustered. So, random, it's literally in the name. It's when you just take random people from any group, any age, any race, and you just ask them some questions. So random is pretty like, you know.
Yeah, not no picking out of a hat.
Yeah.
Okay, systematic is when you pick someone out of a well-defined system, you know. Say I'm at the mall and I ask every fourth kid that walks in, what's their favorite color? That would be systematic.
Stratified is when you pick from a certain group of people. So if I had a survey for what people's favorite food is, if I was just to pick people that's in my like third math period, that would be stratified sampling.
Stratified.
Or if I just wanted only 8 through like 10-year-olds to participate in this survey, that would be stratified sampling.
I go to the fair and I find a lot of people and I divide them into groups. And then I just choose whichever group I want randomly. And that would be called clustered.
Let's do a problem to understand. Okay. So let's read our problem. To conduct a study on depression among the elderly, a sample of 30 people in one nursing home was used. So this right here, which sample would this be? I would say this would be clustered because they're only involving one nursing home. If they involved all the nursing homes and like the whole entire city, then that would be different. So, cluster. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. We did 7 topics. We really hope that we taught you guys something new. Thanks, Miss Hill, for watching our video, and we hope we got a great A.
And I know this video was kind of embarrassing or whatever, but you know, give us props.
We tried. You know, it takes a lot to make a video and edit it, and it takes a lot. But that's all I got for you guys. Courtney, tell them we out.